To copy a file from a Windows machine to an Amazon Web Services (AWS) instance, you can use the AWS CLI tool to securely transfer the file over Secure Copy (SCP). Here's a step-by-step script to do that. First, make sure that you have the AWS CLI tool installed on your Windows machine. You can download it from the official AWS website. Next, open a command prompt or PowerShell window on your Windows machine and navigate to the directory where your file is located. To copy the file to your AWS instance, you'll need to know the public IP address or host name of your instance, as well as the username of the user account that you'll be logging in as. Make sure that you have this information handy. Open a second command prompt or PowerShell window and use the following command to securely copy the file to your AWS instance. scpi/path/to/your/key.pem/path/to/your/file.text ec2user at your instance public IP /home/ec2user/. Here's a breakdown of what each part of the command does. SCP is the command used to copy files over SSH. I/path/to/your/key.pem specifies the private key file that you'll use to authenticate with your AWS instance. /path/to/your/file.text is the path to the file that you want to copy. ec2user at your instance public IP is the username and public IP address of your AWS instance. Replace ec2user with the appropriate username for your instance. :/home/ec2user/ is the destination directory on your AWS instance where you want to copy the file. Replace /home/ec2user/ with the appropriate path for your instance. Press enter and enter the password if prompted. Wait until the file is copied. That's it. The file should now be copied over to your AWS instance.